Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Govee 16.4ft Wi-Fi LED strip lights. These smart RGB LED lights work with Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free voice control to power your lights on and off with just a simple command. With the Govee Home app, you can control your LED light strip via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, giving you access to 16 million colors to choose from. Whether you want to set the mood for Easter, brighten up your kitchen, or liven up a party, these lights have got you covered. But the real showstopper here is the music sync mode. Watch as your smart light strip dances and moves to the rhythm of your favorite songs, bringing a whole new level of energy and fun to your gatherings. And don't forget the custom DE function, allowing you to create your own unique effects and colors to elevate your Easter decor and make the perfect gift for a loved one. Overall, the Govee 16.4ft Wi-Fi LED strip lights are a fantastic addition to any home, bringing a unique and vibrant aesthetic to your living space. So, if you're ready to take your Easter decorations to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing LED lights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.